place for now. So we can start to work around. Let's divide these generic walls now using the Modify Split element tool. Oh, we first have to unpin the wall that's pinned so that we can, it's modifiable. Notice it's giving me the feedback line is being drawn on the ground there, so you have to sort of guess. Don't worry about exactly where they're, because you can move these afterwards. I'm not going to do many of them. I'm just going to show you the procedure here. So, having introduced that split, this segment of wall becomes a separate element. So you can simply change that to a curtain wall. Curtain wall makes it a glass panel, which you can divide into segments and then assign mullion types to them. If we were looking at a picture, I'm looking at a picture of the storefront. We can see that there are large glass panels within the column bays, a fairly heavy vertical mullion separating, dividing the windows roughly in half, in some cases in thirds. So that is a matter of introducing curtain grid line. It'll snap to a midpoint. Right? If you to divide it into transom, you simply go to either side. Let's say the top. Let's call the top 2.5. We do have an elevation drawing, so we can set that precisely. Right. Once we've done that, the segment can become a mullion. From the Architecture menu, click on Mullion. You can the type selector allows you to select from many different types. You can load many different types of mullions. Let's just choose a default for now. Right. And then the flanking sides of the window is a grid line by default, so you can usually snap to it, see it reveals itself, and then the bottom as well. So we're starting to have an idea. Whoops. Select that window so we pivot on it. Start to have an idea of what kind of strategy we can use to develop the glazings.